A 5, 6, 7, 8. Who's got the greatest gal around?
You do. Who's got the sweetest man in town?
You do.
Who's got a guy who makes her smile all day?
By the way, I'm not so bad to look at either.
Who's got a guy with lots of brains?
You do. Who's got a girl who loves chow mein?
You do.
Who's got the greatest love in the world?
You do.
And you do. Thank goodness I've got you.
Who's got a guy to tell her jokes?
You do. Who's got a girl to show the folks?
You do.
Who's got a girl he'd like to one day undress?
Give it a rest. I told you not until we're married.
Who's got the gal with all the snaz?
You do. Who's got the fella with pizzazz?
You do. Who's got the greatest love in the world?
You do.
And you do. Thank